slinky and even stay there for a while. Gonna get my things back, gonna get some fun, then a drink till I pass out. I'm gonna jump onto the table and dance my ass off till I die. And then I'll hopefully forget you and quit those nightmares I've been having every night, every day. It's the same, so hard to explain. A million